You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a vast and wild forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. Leo was known far and wide as the king of the jungle, and all the animals respected and feared him. His great roar could be heard echoing through the trees, sending shivers down the spines of even the bravest creatures. One sunny morning, as Leo was patrolling his territory, he came across a sturdy boar named Boris. Boris was a formidable animal, with sharp tusks and a reputation for being fearless. He was known as the protector of the forest, always ready to defend his fellow animals from harm. Leo and Boris had never met before, and their encounter was unexpected. Leo, impressed by Boris's imposing appearance, decided to strike up a conversation. "Greetings, Boris," Leo said in his deep, rumbling voice. "I am Leo, the lion, the ruler of this forest. I've heard of your bravery and wanted to meet you." Boris, not one to be intimidated, replied, "Greetings, Leo. I am Boris, the boar. I've heard of your might and your roar that can be heard far and wide. What brings you to my part of the forest?" Leo, intrigued by Boris's confidence, explained, "I am on a quest to find a companion, someone as strong and courageous as I am, to share in the responsibilities of ruling this forest. I believe you might be the one." Boris listened carefully, considering Leo's proposal. While he had never thought of sharing the role of protector of the forest with another, he was open to the idea of an alliance. "Leo," Boris said, "I respect your strength and leadership. But before we make any decisions, let's get to know each other better. Let's spend some time together and understand if our strengths can complement each other." Leo agreed to Boris's suggestion, and the two set off on a series of adventures through the forest. They encountered challenges like treacherous ravines, dense thickets, and dangerous predators. Together, they faced these obstacles head-on, each using their unique strengths to help the other. During their time together, Leo and Boris learned that they were indeed a powerful team. Leo's speed and agility combined with Boris's brute force and unwavering bravery made them unstoppable. They protected the forest's inhabitants from threats and ensured the safety of every creature, big or small. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Leo and Boris forged a deep and lasting friendship. They realized that they didn't need to share the title of ruler, for they were better together as loyal friends and protectors of the forest. And so, the forest flourished under their watchful eyes. Leo's mighty roar and Boris's fierce determination became symbols of unity and strength, inspiring all the animals to live in harmony. The lion and the boar, once strangers, had become inseparable friends, and their friendship was a testament to the power of teamwork and cooperation.